Hello and welcome to GEM Electrical and Mechanical Repairs. We provide professional mobile car electrical diagnostics, ECU services, and vehicle module repairs across Birmingham and the wider West Midlands. Is your vehicle refusing to start? Do you have warning lights, battery drain, damaged wiring, key recognition problems, or control modules that are not communicating? At GEM Repairs, we use professional diagnostic and programming equipment to identify the cause of the problem and recommend the most practical repair solution. We specialize in ECU inspection and repair, ECU cloning, used ECU replacement and coding, BCM repair and programming, Airbag module services, Immobiliser diagnostics, EEPROM programming, instrument cluster faults and other vehicle electronic modules. We also provide car key programming, spare key services, remote key fob programming, and support for lost or unrecognized keys. Our mobile auto electrical service can attend your home, workplace, or vehicle. For modules requiring more detailed work, we provide bench testing, component level circuit board repair, soldering, data transfer, cloning, and programming where suitable. At GEM Repairs, we focus on accurate fault finding, clear advice, and cost-effective solutions, helping you repair the real problem rather than replacing parts unnecessarily. For car electrical diagnostics, ECU and BCM repairs, module cloning, immobilizer faults, or vehicle key programming, contact GEM Electrical and Mechanical Repairs today. Call or WhatsApp 073 00072 614, serving Birmingham, Wolverhampton, Walsall, Coventry, Dudley, Solihull, and the wider West Midlands.